Hello, welcome. It's Trisha here from Passive Income Today. I've just launched a new online course called ThriveCart School. It's where you can get a ThriveCart tutorial for many different topics on how to use ThriveCart to make money online and sell products, digital products. In this school, you'll get a lot of interesting lessons and video tutorials with walkthroughs. If you previously signed up to a different course, definitely come back and sign up for this one, because this is the best and the newest one, and it covers the latest features. I just want to give you a quick tour. There's no cost for this course at all. You can access it anytime for free, and you'll have lifetime access as well. So we'll have this is just the front screen of one of the styling ways that you can use ThriveCart to present a course. This shows a gallery. You can set a number of different pictures, and one of the great things about going through this course is you'll be able to see what's possible and how you can set it up for yourself. So firstly, I'm going to show you the front end. This is as a student would see it when they go into the school. They can see all the different lessons and they can choose what they want. So we start with a welcome video, promos and discounts, how to use AI chat GPT to create income and money online, how to tour through ThriveCart and understand the different features, how to build a course, how to create bundles, how to build and sell a membership or subscription, how to sell consulting or coaching using ThriveCart, how to sell a book using ThriveCart, how to sell low ticket offers using ThriveCart, how to create a sales page and a checkout using your ThriveCart account, and ThriveCart Help. At the end, there's also a link that if you want to work with me directly, you can get in contact. But let's go behind the scenes for a quick tour, and you can take a look to see if there's some information here that might be helpful to you. If I haven't covered a particular topic that you would like to see, then just let me know. I'm more than happy to look at it and see if I have the knowledge on the topic, or at least do some research and provide a lesson for you for free. So as you go in, this is the back end of ThriveCart, and this is what you can see as a course creator. You can create any number of modules and lessons. Modules are the top level headings for the area of the lessons underneath it. Call it your subject line, and then each of the lessons fall in underneath. And you can move modules and lessons up and down. So if you create a lesson in the first module, but you really want it in the second or third module, easy to drag and drop. And all you need to do is just grab it here and pull it down. So when we go through these lessons, I've created a series of video tutorials talking you through each of the steps. We talk about how to make passive income with digital products, why you should consider choosing ThriveCart if you haven't already, and if you haven't upgraded to ThriveCart Learn Plus, I'll give you some examples of why you should do this, or at least consider it and see if it works for you. Most of the time, it's pretty easy to use. As with anything, when you're starting out, there can be some frustration and a bit of a learning curve. But if you follow this course and you go through each of the lessons, I think you'll find it really easy. You can always fast forward and play it on a quicker speed so you can get through it. And there's lots of really good instructions here. I've also given you some ideas around using other software such as Chat GPT to create content that you can resell. And let's get into it. So the first thing that most people sign up to ThriveCart for is its course creation abilities. When you create a course in ThriveCart, a course is just the name of a place where you store an asset to sell. So you can create a course, a digital product. You can even create meditation audio files. Anything that you want to create that's a digital product that you want to sell goes into the course section. And in here, I give you some instructions on how to build a course. If you are more of a learning through video, there's a video instruction. If you're more of a learning through reading, there are also written instructions step by step that you can follow. I'll also explain to you how to drip your content, and if you want everyone who buys the course to access it immediately, then they can have instant access, or you can drip it out in smaller portions. I also give you some access to a few other articles that I found about ThriveCart I thought were really helpful, and they should help you on your journey. We talk about bundles. Now, bundles is a feature in the Learn Plus ThriveCart Learn Plus upsell. When you're going through the checkout for your lifetime license, they'll offer this to you at a very small price. I definitely recommend it. At least give it a go and see what you think. And if for any reason that you don't enjoy it, then you can always cancel it and get a refund within 30 days. So don't stress, everything's easy. Bundles are where you're selling more than one product at a time to a customer. So your main offer may be a course plus a few downloads and maybe a consultation. And then you may want to have an upsell or a downsell or a special bump offer, and you want to package up multiple items. That's a bundle, and it's really easy to do in ThriveCart. Once you've created all your assets, you literally go through a pick list like a catalog, select them all, and join them together to create individual bundles. In this lesson, I'll talk you through it and show you what you need to look for and how to do it. There are lots of other ways that you can use ThriveCart. It doesn't need to be just only for selling courses. You can sell memberships and subscriptions of any kind. You can sell consulting or coaching. You can use it to even sell an ebook, and that's actually one of the very first products that I created was an ebook. And I gave customers an ebook. It was part of a lead magnet. It was a really low entry price, but they also got a short video to go with the ebook that was a Blinkist version, just a very short summary of the book so they could get some idea around the content, and then some extra downloads. The whole purpose of that activity wasn't necessarily to make money, but it was to be able to share some very valuable information with my customers and also to build my email list. Depending on what price point you're looking at for selling products, you can sell low ticket or high ticket. There's no minimum price. The minimum is $0 and the maximum is unlimited. So however you decide to sell using ThriveCart for delivering your services or digital products, you can do that. And you can set the pricing as well. You can do one-time payments, multiple payments, part payments, whatever you want. It can all be controlled within your dashboard. The sales page and checkout for ThriveCart. I'm actually today going to be adding another lesson to this course, and I'll add in a link so that you can download your very own sales page template that I'll build myself, and you can have access to customize that as you choose. So ThriveCart has a range of really great templates already available. Sometimes people get a bit stressed trying to figure out how to customize it. I'll give you something that's really nice and easy. You can change the colors as you choose, and you can literally just import it, load it, add your content to it, add a link to your products, and you're done, and it's ready to go. So very easy, very clean, and very quick to get set up. There's also a section here about ThriveCart Help, what you can do to get assistance from ThriveCart directly. I don't work for ThriveCart. I am a customer of ThriveCart's. I make these videos because I actually really enjoy the software and I enjoy helping other people. But if you actually have technical questions related to your account, you should contact ThriveCart directly. There's a link here of how you can get in contact with them. I'm very impressed with the quality of their service, customer service team. They're always really helpful and they give really good answers. So don't hesitate to get in contact with them. And the very last thing that I cover here in ThriveCart is if you want to work with me one-to-one, I do offer a number of different services. I can provide you with some consulting, which is actually quite a popular service. You book a time period with me, whether it's half an hour or an hour, and come along with all your questions, and we can have a look at your account together. I can, troubleshoot any problems you have, or I can just give you some general advice related to what it is that you're wanting to sell and create. Another option that I do have available is a VIP service where I'll spend a day working with you or on your product, whatever it is that you need help with. So there's lots of different ways to make money online. No matter which product that you want to sell, whatever you want to do, you need a system that's reliable, a system that doesn't cost you the earth to maintain, and a system that's just robust and easy to use without being a really painful experience. I find that I'm definitely not a tech person, but I have learned a lot in my 10 years online. And I find that some of these systems are so clever that they actually become really hard to use. And one of the reasons why I really love ThriveCart is its simplicity and its drag and drop, and what you see is what you get. There's no hidden sections you need to go looking for. Everything's laid out in front of you. So if you're interested in joining ThriveCart School, you'll be able to get access to this entire course, and it's completely free. I really want you to be successful. I want you to learn, create, and profit, and just take action to create your own financial independence, whatever reasons that you are doing that for. There's a lot of people out there looking for information, looking for advice, and however you decide to deliver it to them, um, think of a system that will continually deliver without you having to pay monthly fees. And that's what ThriveCart does for me, and I hope it will help you with. I'm always open to questions. So if you do have a question, or there's something that you want to make sure that's covered, leave a comment below and I will respond to you. And I look forward to helping you and see you succeed as well. Thank you.